Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I created these really pretty fall press-on nails and how to encapsulate the fall leaves using just gel polish. So let's get right into it. I am using my full cover nail tips from Makartt in the shape Long Ballerina. I absolutely love Makartt's full cover nails because they are always super sturdy, and after adding all the layers of gel, my press-on nails are super strong and durable and don't bend. I always start off by chemically buffing the nails with some primer from Morovan. Then I'm going to go ahead and add 2 layers of base coat from Beetles. I go ahead and cure for 60 seconds in between each layer in the UV LED lamp. Now I'm going to take this wine color from Beautpal in the number B036 and apply 1 layer on the thumb, pointer, and pinky finger, then cure for 60 seconds. And I go ahead and use my Beetles rubber base gel in the number F019 and apply it where I want my base color to be, leaving the tips clear on the middle and ring finger. Before curing, I go ahead and take my base coat from Beetles and apply it to the clear part of the nail and apply the leaves to the wet gel, then cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. After the nails have cured, I go ahead and apply a thin layer of the base coat to cover the entire nail and cure it for 60 seconds. After the nails have cured, I go ahead and use my Beetles Top Coat to encapsulate the leaves. I apply a nice thick layer over the entire nail. Then I go ahead and turn it upside down so the gel levels out and creates an apex and won't run down the sides. Then I go ahead and cure for 60 seconds in the lamp. As you can see, the leaves are sticking out a little bit through the gel, so to fix this, I take a 100-180 grit file and start buffing the nail until it's all smooth and even. I'll take my 91% alcohol and paper towel to clean off the dust and go ahead and apply another thin layer of top coat and cure for 60 seconds. I like to use both Beetles and Saviland Top Coat so far for encapsulating glitters because they're both such a nice thick consistency. I don't recommend using a thin watery top coat because it won't provide the coverage you need to cover the glitters. For the sake of the video, I am just applying some rhinestones to the ring finger over the wet top coat, then I cure for 60 seconds. If you want the rhinestones to last, I recommend using Makartt rhinestone glue. That's my go-to glue for charms and rhinestones. I was going to go ahead and leave the nails glossy, but I decided to mattify the solid color nails and let the encapsulated nails stand out. I only have Beetles matte gel polish right now, so if you have any recommendations, please let me know in the comments for a different matte gel polish. I like Beetles products, but the matte always comes out kind of streaky on certain colors. Here you can kind of see the streaks on the nails, but overall I love how they came out. As you can see, the nails are all nice and smooth and even with no bumps. Encapsulating with gel polish is super beginner friendly if you don't know how to use acrylic or polygel yet. This is the finished look. I absolutely love this color. Perfect for fall and will match any skin tone. Let me know in the comments if you're ready for Christmas nails yet or you want to see more fall designs. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.